Got a quick unboxing for you today. We're going to be unboxing the Sony Bravia Theater Bar 8. This is a great sound bar, especially if you have the Bravia 8 television, which I have right here. This is an OLED television, and you combine it with the Theater Bar 8, control everything with the single controller. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this just to show you exactly what it looks like when you take it out of the box, and then later on you're going to want to watch the review where I connect these together to see if you can really create the ultimate home theater cinema experience at home. So let's go ahead and begin this unboxing. Nice instructions. Everything seems to be made out of cardboard, so it's going to be recyclable. Just bend this over. There you go. Setup configurations tells you exactly what to do. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Let's quickly take this, see what's inside here. Okay, so got some instructions, even for wall mount template. Oh, that's really nice. But this will be sitting on the desk here. Got some cables. See what's in here. Okay. Looks like HDMI, power cable, and you got the headphone kind of jack cable there. Some screws, I guess that's to mount it. I'll put that back in there. What do we have here? Interesting, these look like, oh, little feet that go onto the soundbar. Take that out. Looks like it also has its own controller, but again, it should be working with the Bravia 8 television controller. But let's see, quick look, nice and simple, and 2 batteries. So I'll take those out because I'm gonna set that up. And what else do we have? Oh, got some brackets here. You know what? I'm gonna leave those because I'm gonna have it sitting on the television. So I'll leave that in the box. Okay, so it says setup configurations, basically connect it, and it looks like you have to use the Bravia app as well. And that's to configure the sound into your room because it's a lot of tech that goes in there to kind of create that surround sound. Like maps your room, essentially. I'll talk about more of that in the review. See what this thing looks like. It's got 11 speakers, I believe, in the front, on the side, and on top. Wow, beautiful design. So I don't know if you can see, but it's got some nice curves on the side. It's got fabric on the top, very slick. Again, 11 speakers. And it does that 3D spatial sound mapping. So there you go. Let me just take this out of the box, get the box out of the way. Oopsie daisy. There you go, the Bravia Theater Bar 8. That's going to go great with this television. So this is what you get with it in the box. Of course, there are the brackets inside, but I'm going to leave those because I'm not going to use it. But you do, if you want to mount it to the wall, you got that option. You also got the feet. Comes with the HDMI cable and another cable as well. So super simple. That pretty much concludes this unboxing. You're going to want to watch the full review. I'm going to put this to the test in this room, see if it can really create a surround sound system along with the OLED version of Sony's premium televisions for 2024, the Bravia 8. So that concludes this unboxing. Be sure to like, subscribe, and make sure you watch that review where I put it to the test. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you at the review.